Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to add chapters to your YouTube videos. So how to add timestamps to your YouTube videos in 2026. But first guys, if you want, you can go down on this video in the comment section and click on the first comment that I pinned. This will bring you to my Fiverr, and here you can get a YouTube logo and banner or a modern minimalist YouTube logo and banner for your YouTube channel. But now back to the video. So first I want to show you how to enable automatic YouTube chapters. Now for that you can go to settings. You want to make sure you go to upload defaults and you go to advanced settings. And so if you want any future videos to have automatic chapters, make sure you select this one. You click save. So once again, the next time that you upload a video, it will always have automatic chapters. Then if you go to any of your older videos, you can also scroll down. Here just click show more. And then here as you can see, it will allow automatic chapters and key moments for this specific video. So now it's disabled, and if I do this, it will be enabled. And once again, you have to click save here. And so then this video in particular will get the automatic chapters. But that once again is something I would not advise you to do, automatic chapters. And so lastly, you can also apply it to multiple videos. So if I, for example, click this one, and this one, for example, I can go to edit. And here if I select automatic chapters, YouTube will actually place those. That is of course only a feature if that seems useful to you, but in that way you can actually apply those chapters to multiple videos. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to add YouTube chapters manually. So I got an example of a video of mine that doesn't have any chapters, so I'm going to show you how to add some. First you want to go to your description, wherever in your description you would like them to be. Now for me personally, I'm just going to place them here. I'm going to just type chapter, 2 dots, and now you can immediately type the timestamp. I always want to make sure it starts with 000. So you can either type it like this, or you can also remove a 0 at the beginning. This format works as well. And in case your video is over an hour long, then you have to make sure that it's 00, once again the 2 dots, 00, and another 2 dots, 00. That is going to be the format if your videos are over an hour long, but mine definitely isn't over an hour, so I'm just going to keep it like this. So then you want to do the name of your first chapter. I'm just going to do intro. I think for a lot of other people, they might also just choose intro here as a first title. It's really up to you what you want to call that chapter. Also make sure it's somewhat of a word. Sometimes if you might even put like 3 letters, it could be the case that the chapter doesn't work. So make sure that in most cases, I would say at least 3 letters here for the name of the chapter. Also make sure, I'm just going to copy paste this. Every chapter is at least 10 seconds long. That's very important. It can cause a lot of problems if your chapters aren't at least 10 seconds long. I'm just going to this video. Something you should keep in mind is that there should also be at least 3 chapters, like I'm doing right now. Just call this outro, and there you go. So that's also something to keep in mind as well. That is also very important. And let me actually just change the times for the video. So I'm going to say like 40 seconds, and then the outro is towards like 1 minute 20, something like that. So let's just change these timestamps around a bit. I'm going to click save. And the nice thing about chapters is that it will be applied immediately. So if I go to the video now, and so now it will be added, I'll show you the part where you can see it better. Here we have our 3 chapters, so the intro, the video itself, and the outro. So at 40 seconds, it goes into the second chapter, and here towards the end at 120, it goes into the outro. So the chapters have been added correctly, which is very nice. Now what you can also do is go down in the description. Now here, if they are blue, it means that it went through, so that the chapters are working. And down here, you can also see and at what time code the YouTube chapters can be seen. And if I then go back to the description of this video, I can just drag it like this, delete the chapters like so. Click save again. If I now go back to the video, as you can see, all of the chapters have been removed. As simple as that. Okay, so now I wanted to show you another video of mine, how you can actually rank with YouTube chapters. Now, so for that, I will use an example. So if I do this one, so this specific chapter name, so I'm actually going to paste it here in a new incognito tab so that I'm actually logged out. So you'll see that it actually works. And as you can see, if I search for that specific chapter name, my video shows up first here, 22 key moments in this video. And if I go a bit further, the chapter in question is right here. So do keep that in mind as well. YouTube chapters will also help you rank mostly in Google. So these would also be considered external views, which if I go to the analytics of my video, are gonna be these views. And as you can see, most of my views do come from external, and so that will be mostly right here in Google or any other web browser for that matter. But that's where the external views come from. And make sure it's not too short. Like this one, for example, is not a good example because the YouTube tags is gonna have a lot of competition and it's not gonna rank. And something more specific, as we just saw, would definitely rank probably first in the ranking as it just did, because it's a bit more specific. So that's also why you can use your chapters for to distinguish specific moments in your video and help you rank your YouTube video as well. And so there you go, guys. That is how we add chapters on YouTube. So the timestamps I show you really is the default format for your YouTube chapters, so do keep that one in mind. Now, if you're running into any problems with your YouTube chapters, there will actually be another video of mine that shows you how to fix YouTube chapters down in the description of this video. So if you're running into any problems with the chapters, make sure you check out that video. Once again, it's down here in the description below. But in any case, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please, if you like, it would be really nice. Subscribe to also be really nice. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.